Hi, this is Dr. Vijitha Reddy from Telangana. Previously, I have done some small fellowships, but I was not very happy with that. So, I wanted to do a full course. I was not able to take time of complete 6 months or 1 year out of the practice. So, I was searching for the same kind of hybrid course where I can have clinical knowledge and also like theory knowledge. The reason I selected this is because of Kamini ma'am. I have heard so much of her from my PG days. In online classes, you will get to learn from the basics of infertility, starting from the male and female reproductive system to advanced reproductive like IVF stimulation protocols and embryology, IUI protocols. Everything will be covered. And it's not like you have just registered and you can get it certificate. It is not that way. We have to come to Bengaluru for the simulation training. We get to practice on the models and different cases. It's not like one case for pickup or something. Different types of cases where different modules will be there. You get to practice on the models for ovum pickups and embryo transfers and hysteroscopies. They'll have different modules. It's like from different cases like adenomyotic uterus visit and endometriosis. Daily practice we do based on clinical knowledge, but after knowing the theory and all, we get to see on so many cases. The andrology part is covered by Dr. Dilip sir. Yeah, it was very good. We get to know the IUI semen preparation methods and semen analysis. The latest, because as male infertility is on rise, we get to see many of the male part of the infertility thing. And this is actually a very good program. It's not like just enrolling. They will motivate you to keep attending the classes, do the exams, do the assignments. Then they follow up very good. Thank you Medline Academics for designing such a beautiful course. Thank you.